Hey friends, here's what I'm thinking will be a quick channel update for the folks that follow along. I wasn't posting between probably November till just this month, May. So that's 6 months away from the channel. And things were okay, but last year was a really tough year business-wise and financially, not gonna lie. The good news is that I had a lot of time for motorcycle riding and was able to make a lot of videos, had a wonderful time with friends, and I shared many of those rides with you here on the channel. And I got to work on some bikes, build some bikes, but toward the end of the year, I was not thinking about motorcycling. Now, things are going good. The year has started off really well, and so it's just balancing the whole thing of finding the time to ride, which I'm definitely doing. What road do I want to take? The road less traveled. Finding the time to do the riding and then making the income when I possibly can. Oh, this was a good choice in road, I can already tell. So the XT225 is running strong. I just discovered tonight I'm gonna need new front brake pads on it. That's the first time those have been replaced, so I'll do my best to grab those this weekend and do that. The bike has over 16,000 miles on it, 16,337, going strong. If anything, the fuel mileage is getting better and better. Sorry to announce, I no longer have the SR250 Yamaha Scrambler that I built. I absolutely loved that bike and put a lot of heart into it, but there were really two reasons I sold it. One was because last year I had really intended to take it on a trip of some sort and document it. I wanted to show that you could take an older motorcycle and it would go on a trip. Then all of the shutdowns started happening and the limited ability to travel and all that stuff, and it just didn't pan out the way that I wanted it to. So that didn't happen, and then, to be honest, I just needed the money. I just needed to get things down to as simple a garage as I could, and so I sold the SR250. I also sold the Ninja 250, which I had been trying to and had expected to all along. So the XT225 is the only bike in the garage. Last year I was talking to a friend who owns a dealership here in town about a bike that he had that he'd meant to work on and had never gotten around to. And then my money dried up and our communications just kind of dried up, and it was a good thing because I didn't have the money to be buying a new bike. Well, a very old new bike. But a few weeks ago he contacted me again and asked me if I was still interested. And because things have been going so well, I thought the XT needed a little bit of company. So I'm gonna end this channel update by giving you guys that are interested in the updates a preview of what will be to come. I don't know if I'll do a complete build video or not, but the goal is to get it in shape, get it running, and to find some sort of adventures on it. All right, for you faithful, here it is. Thanks so much for watching. Hey, thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please do give it a like, and I hope you'll consider subscribing for future riding and wrenching videos. Ride safe.